I'm Mike Cronin from NodeH. I'd like to demonstrate our LTE femtocell doing high-speed data with multiple users, each of whom is downloading very significant amounts of data. The setup shows 8 UEs connected to the femtocell, which in turn is connected to the EPC via a security gateway. The EPC and the security gateway are both running on an Intel i5 NUC. Each of the phones is running an iPerf server, and the PC is running 8 clients. The handsets are communicating with the femtocell using TCP/IP. So this is any application that is likely to run on the handsets will also be using a TCP/IP based protocol. So this is the sort of end user rate that can be expected. As far as the infrastructure is concerned, we've configured it here so that it's using the maximum amount of security. PTCP ciphering is used on the air interface, and IPSEC is used for the backhaul. Here we see the 8 clients for iPerf running on the PC. Zooming into a single one, we can see that the data rates are about 11 to 12 megabits per second. Using a browser with the NodeH tools, it's possible to monitor via a web page the individual UEs. Here we can see 4 of the UEs tracing data rates around about 11 to 12 megabits. We can see the server for iPerf running on the UEs, showing figures also around the 11 to 12 megabits, resulting in a cumulative rate of about 90 megabits per second. So in the course of a typical test that we would run on devices like this with 8 users running in full speed in parallel, we would be downloading perhaps 45 gigabytes an hour of data. Now if you contrast that with the typical amount that a user is allowed to download in a month by an operator, well, it's a huge amount more in 1 hour than the average customer is allowed to have, even on an expensive tariff, in the course of a whole month. So this underscores that by providing LTE femtocells to their customers, operators will be able to greatly increase the capacity of their network. You have been looking at the NodeH LTE data rate demonstration. Thank you very much.